Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon in a can. First, always drain the liquid from your canned salmon. This step is crucial for achieving the best texture and flavor in your dishes. Next, gently flake the salmon with a fork. This makes it easier to incorporate into various recipes. You can also remove any skin or small bones if you prefer, though they are perfectly safe and nutritious to eat. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious meals. Canned salmon is incredibly versatile for quick meals. For a classic, mix it with a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, some chopped celery, and a pinch of pepper for a delicious sandwich or cracker spread. Another easy option is to combine flaked salmon with cooked pasta, a half cup of frozen peas, and a simple cream sauce for a satisfying dinner. You can also make crispy salmon patties by mixing the salmon with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg, then pan-frying them until golden brown. Beyond the basics, canned salmon can be transformed into more sophisticated dishes. Consider baking it into a savory quiche, perhaps with a half cup of fresh spinach and a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese for a delightful brunch. You can also elevate salmon cakes by adding fresh dill and parsley, serving them with a homemade lemon dill aioli. For a comforting meal, incorporate canned salmon into a rich chowder, complete with diced potatoes and sweet corn, perfect for a chilly evening. For optimal freshness, store unopened canned salmon in a cool, dry pantry, where it can last for up to 3 years. Once opened and prepared, any leftover salmon should be refrigerated promptly in an airtight container and consumed within 2 days to ensure safety and flavor. Remember, canned salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein, making it a healthy and convenient pantry staple. For more great finds, including that awesome sock deal, check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.